Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today is more of a part 2 of my last video. If you didn't see that, be sure to try and check that out first. You don't have to, it's up to you. I am reviewing the Hair for Days line from Mixed Chicks. Basically this line will help you go without wetting, washing your hair, etc., conditioning your hair for days. Now, I usually don't get second day hair. I never get second day hair. That's why if you look at my videos, I have no videos on how to refresh second day hair because I never was able, like I sleep on my curls, I've used pillows, I put my hair up, but even when I put my hair up, I just don't like the way my hair, I just like to redo my hair every day. It's just maybe my preference because I just don't like the way it looks. And it always ends up going up. So since I got this shorter cut and short layers, somehow I'm getting second day hair. I am. So I'm excited because now I can join the second day hair club with all you other curly girls. The thing is though, I have to make sure that my hair is like styled right or else it's not gonna, the next day it will look horrible. So that's a definite. So as long as it's styled right with the right product and I style it correctly, I could get a second day out of it. Some products I don't though. I'm not gonna say who, because honestly I don't even know off the top of my head. There are just some days that I wake up and I know that there's no way I can go out like this. So I just wet my hair, etc. I don't shampoo my hair every day. I shampoo my hair maybe once every couple weeks, depending. If I have a product in that's a lot, and after rinsing and rinsing and rinsing, I still feel like it's in my hair, then I will shampoo. But I'll use like a gentle shampoo, a co-wash. What's in my shower right now? Soto's All About Curls co-wash is in my shower, and I think I have something from Hannah I was trying. I'm glad I brought this up. Okay, little segment on the side. I ran in the shower because I'm like, so this is the one I was using. It's more of like a no cleanse lather or something for your hair, so it's not as harsh as shampoo, and it's for curls. I love this line. This is like one of my favorite hair products. Like their hair styling products, the foam, not foam, the mousse. I don't know what it is, but I love all that stuff. This is what I had picked up, and I like it so far. It's from Hask, not Hannah. Keratin Protein Smoothing Shampoo. No sulfates and no parabens. No sulfates, no parabens. That has been in my shower, I can't even tell you how long, because I think I got it for when I had my keratin done, which was back in July, because I know I needed a shampoo that had no sulfates, no parabens, etc. to keep it longer. So I think that's when I got that, and here we are, January. That's how long shampoo lasts in my shower. But this is what I wanted to tell you guys, and every time I'm in the shower I'm like, can I talk about this? But I rarely talk to you guys about conditioner. I feel like most conditioners nowadays are pretty much good, and if you don't have a good conditioner, as long as you have a good styler, you're gonna look fine. So I just feel like, what if I tell you a great conditioner and you use a terrible styler for your hair and your hair comes out terrible? I wouldn't blame it so much on the conditioner. My hair is definitely drier in the last year since getting the keratin. I will say it dried my hair a little, and I think it's out of my hair, or is it? I don't know, because my hair does feel drier. But it's okay because it looks okay, and it's not horribly dry. It's like I have naturally dry hair. But I know that I've felt my hair softer, and I think it was the keratin, which is, you know, whatever. You pick your battles. But anyway, I would say my favorite conditioner that I always use, for the most part, would be OGX. And I call it the blue bottle, but it's the Moroccan. There are two though. There are two. I like the darker blue one with the dark font. I don't know. They're both Moroccan oil, I think, but one has a little bit of a difference. I don't know. I believe it or not, I don't have it, and I'm going to tell you why, because I picked this up. I found this at CVS. This is called Monday. Moisture Conditioner. For dry and damaged hair. SLS free, paraben free, cruelty free. Yeah, it's hard to read it right now because I have old eyes, but It was pretty inexpensive, and I don't remember, but I will put it down below if I remember to look into it. But I tried it, and I love it. I love this conditioner. And it's one of those things, like I said before, like, why do I love it? Because after I rinse it out, my hair feels so smooth. And yes, there are some out there that I don't get that feeling from. I don't get that smoothing. But for me, it personally just depends on the time of the month, because no matter what I use, my hair is going to feel a certain way. But the OGX gives me that feeling too. This really gave me that feeling, so I'm like, wow, I like this. Made my hair feel really good. But again, if I don't use a good product, and look, my hair still feels dry. So I don't think conditioner will, unless you have a leave-in, is gonna really, if you're rinsing it out, you know, it does help, but your styler, to me, in my opinion, is more important, but I wouldn't go a day without my conditioner. So I don't know what that means. But anyway, we are here today to talk about the Mixed Chicks Hair for Days. This is my second day. I'll show you how I woke up, how it looked before I put it in. I used the cream, and I just like kind of dabbed. I don't know if I did it. I should have put my hair more like in that ponytail style, like I normally do when I do my second day, if I were to do second day at home. But I don't like to break up the curls too much, but it came out really good, just from that little bit amount. And I sprayed a little of the smell, which I just love. I'm gonna probably use a lot all the time for the days that I just don't wash my hair. I think it came out good, and this is it. We are halfway through the day, and my hair still looks good. Like, wow, this looks better than days that I actually do my hair. So I'm excited because I'm so tired of going through the whole routine of my hair. I gotta be honest with you, I'm tired of it. And if I could just like come out of the shower and not have to deal with the whole hair drying thing, that would save me a lot of time. Let's stay tuned for tomorrow. See how tomorrow will be the third day. Are we gonna push it to 4 days? Oh my God, Crouton's coming. I gotta watch my grand dog. I'll see what I could do. That's the whole point of this video. Let's push it to 4 days. Let's push it. Let's do it. I will see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. I'm running so late. I'm using my phone. I have to pick up my daughter and her baby Crouton in Hoboken again. That's why I look like I'm half asleep. And my hair's okay. My hair actually looks good, considering this is the third day. Never in my life. Literally never in my life. I don't think I've got my hair to look like this on a second day. Not even a second day. I don't even know if I need to put anything in. Maybe I'll just put a little... I know I don't need this, only because I know that I have extremely dry hair. And look at my hair. Does my hair look greasy? This is more for those of you who have more of a greasier, you know, like hair, scalp, and it gets greasy, your hair. Usually straighter hair, I will admit. I said I was gonna try this, but you know what, let me do that. I'll put a little bit of foam in. I'm sorry if I'm a mess. I'm just so like I'm half asleep. Just to get the frizz out on top. I mean, again, this is a volumizer. This is meant to make my hair bigger, but I think this is also good to kind of just refresh. See that? Okay, I gotta go. I'm like really late. Okay, that looks great. And of course it's raining, because every time I go there it's raining. I'll see you later. I look really bad, but we're in Hoboken in a coffee shop. My hair, I almost knocked it over. Let me tell you something. I'm reviewing a product that is called Hair for.
They cannot hear you if that's what you need. Okay, I got a dirty try for the hair.
I feel like I'm away in Jamaica.
So embarrassed. Also, I'm embarrassed of who
do you remember we used to go to breakfast in Jamaica when we went away, the three of us?
That was so nice.
Mexico. Mexico.
It was so fun. Breakfast every morning.
Listen, do you want to know when the last time I did my hair, styled it?
When?
2 days ago.
I actually think it looks good. I was gonna say it in the car.
Can you believe this?
Yeah, it's
Wait,
crazy.
what?
I'm using a product. Well, I will admit, since I cut my hair shorter, I do. Is it recording?
Yeah, but my double chin was just.
Since I got my hair cut, I can kind of do a second day, but it really depends on the product. So
Yeah.
this
Like,
is
I see a full
third
curl
day.
right there.
This is
Yeah,
third
like,
day.
what?
Yeah.
I
Look at the
wish.
curls.
Oh
Yeah,
my god!
yeah.
Like I wish I could do that.
Oh, I have something. I didn't bring it with me.
You're coming next week.
It's a dry shampoo. It's a powder for
need
Sophia.
that.
Oh, for you? You can try it when you get home.
No, only some. No,
No. It's a powder.
So like powdered. I can't like flip it around.
I've been using your dry shampoo.
All right, we'll try it when you get home because I need something to try because I have such dry hair.
No, but I.
Is this cute?
Yeah, it's so cute. No, but I need to shower when I get
The
home.
best
too.
coffee I've ever had in my.
Oh,
Oh,
I know.
50 chins.
50 chins.
It's the best coffee I've ever had in my life. I'm gonna go because this is just my. I don't have my phone. It's my phone only, so I'm gonna go because I'm ugly. But look at this, third day. Okay, so it's the last day, and I woke up, and it looked good still. It still looked good. I could have totally got away with another whole day. I really, really could have, but I was going out. So it was the fourth day. I made it to the fourth day. I'm going out later. I have a full day planned. So instead of testing it to the end of the day, I think we can move on. We had our fun. It was good. It was all good and it was fun. And we can say that this is definitely a product of 4 days. I was thinking of styling my hair. That's why I look like this today with just the calming cream and see how that is alone. So let me do that, and I'm not going to show you me styling it and doing all that. I'm just going to come back and quickly close the video out, and we'll see how my hair came out, okay? Okay, guys, I did try the cream, but I think it was too, it's not meant to be a styler. Conditioning mask thing, but the perfect for me combination, if you want to use it as a styler, would be the foam with a little bit of the cream. It's just me and the doggies home, and I forget that Crouton is heavy on his feet, so it sounds like a human is running around. No, it's raining out. It's getting dark out. Now I'm scared. So I just put my hair back. Come on, baby. Say hello. Look at his face. I love this face. Don't you go in that garbage can. Hi, baby. So cute. I love him. Sorry, I know you're not supposed to talk like that to a dog, so. I just gotta do something. I'll be right there, okay? I'll be right there. I have to talk right to you. Like, I should be saying down off the bed, but you know what? I don't care. Hopefully you didn't hear Michael Bublé in the background. Anyway, I'm gonna go. I'm loving, I forgot to bring this to my daughter, but I'm gonna see her next week. I'll update you guys. But love them. All of them. Like, why not? Oh my god, it smells. I'm gonna definitely repurchase that because it just smells good. Anyway, I'm gonna go, guys. And yes, these are my latest pajamas that I got from Amazon. I got now a total of 3 new pairs. I was so excited when these came, but I forgot that I got a pair of short ones. So they're short, so you know what I did? Because it's cold. I put a pair of tights on. Why not? And then I have my shorts. They're shorts. I know, it looks so silly with tights, but they keep me warm, and it's cold in the house. In the summer, I don't have to wear this, but it'll be nice in the summer too because I'm always cold with the air conditioning, so this would be perfect. And just throw a pair of tights on. Why not? I like them. I'll link them below. This is my 3rd pair I got from Amazon, and they're all so cozy, 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 comfy. And that's my new thing now, to get nice pajamas that I only wear after dinner before bed. I don't even wear them to bed. That's like I wear other stuff to bed. But yes. Okay. I am gonna say, okay guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.